I met Manny at PDCP. I used to be his boss. And even then, I knew that he was going to be an entrepreneur. It was a vision that he had wanted. I knew he was selling shrimps and fish before he went to the office and after he came back from work.
Well, my association with Manny, actually, it all happened in the mid-70s. A former colleague of Manuel B. Villar in an institution called the Private Development Corporation of the Philippines.
I met Manny around 1973 during his first day in office in PDCP. We became office mates and roommates for 3.5 years in PDCP.
I met Manny Villar in the early 70s. We worked together in PDCP. He was a project analyst then under the Business Development Office, and I was their department secretary.
I first met Manny when I went to work for PDCP. He was a regular guy, very intelligent, of course, and he was always a warm friend. And over the couple of years that I was at PDCP, the friendship deepened so that it involved the families already.
I met Manny on my first day of work. He was known to me as a very straight and honest guy.
I happened to meet Manny Villar during our high school days. Where we stay, we usually get to know each other through common, sabihin mo ng pagkikita, minsan sa simbahan, minsan dun sa lugar na kung saan kami naglalaro within our playground.
Si Manny Villar po, kaklase ko nung third year high school. Siya po ay walang kaimik-imik, walang hilig, miski ano, talagang ayaw niya na ang time niya ay mapunta sa iba. Gusto niya pa yung tutulungan ng mother niya sa pagtitinda.
Nung nasa PDCP kami, alam ko, palaging kapos na kapos sa pera si Manny.
Just one occasion which I will never forget. I came to the office very late, past 9, and he smelled like fish, no? And his necktie was not even properly knotted. So, hey, you got your knot twisted. Something like that.
When I met him, alam ko hindi siya anak mayaman kasi from the time na pumasok siya sa office up to the time na nag-resign siya, iisa lang yung necktie niya. Tapos yung damit na sinusuot niya, talaga palagi ko, 2-3 lang eh. Kasi nung by the time mag-resign, kupas na eh.